Spartanburg. Brittany Guerrero.
No time for goodbye, he said.
Christine Daniel.
Faded away, don't put your life in someone's hands that bound
William Rutkowski.
away. Don't hide your mistakes, 'cause they'll find you.
Jessica Guerrero.
Sadly, on the morning of June 8, 2010, Jessica Guerrero was killed in an alcohol-related motor vehicle crash.
Every 15 minutes, someone in the United States dies in an alcohol-related traffic accident.
Morning, Jamie. It's Marie. How are you? Good. I'm fine. Thanks. Listen, just curious. I was just leaving for the gym, and Chris hasn't been home yet this morning. He told me that he was going to stop home and get clothes after he slept at your house last night, and he hasn't come home yet. He wasn't at your house last night? Where is she?
About 2 minutes away.
I'm going right by the school. I can drive you.
Mom, I want to go with Michelle.
What are you doing?
Texting her, she just said she'd be 2 minutes.
Michelle's driving. Don't text her when she's driving.
Mom, it's no problem. She's almost here.
I love you.
Love you too.
John, where have you been? I just heard from Mrs.
Mom, it's fine. No, you did the project. It's fine. No, Mom.
You were supposed to be working on that project.
It's fine, Mom. It's fine.
I have to take Robert to school.
It's fine.
What are
I'm
you
gonna be
doing?
late. I'm going. I'm gonna go.
Anybody see anything? Witnesses? We have no pulse here, Frank. No pulse.
The car was driving and it's on the wrong side of the road. It was like swerving. Which is the iron pan. Did you ever wrong side of the road? Yeah, he was swerving over the road.
Stay in the car. Are you hurt? All right. Come on over. pen with your eyes on. I said your eyes only. Keep your head still, all right? Your eyes only. You're under arrest for drunk driving. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to represent you if you wish. At any time, you can refuse to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand what we just read to you? This side.
Sorry, we were just driving to school. I didn't mean it. Just right across the road. I only had like a few to drink. We're already graduating soon. I didn't mean to hurt everyone.
John, Sally, listen. I've already advised you of Miranda rights and you've waived your Miranda rights. I need to ask you what happened today, okay? So tell me, start from the beginning and tell me what happened today.
Well, last night I went to my friend Chris's house. And I told my mom I was working on a project.
Do you know if Michelle's okay? They took her on the helicopter.
Yeah, the other guys are taking care of Michelle, so we don't know anything about her, okay?
She's gonna be okay. She's gonna be okay. She's gonna be okay.
Lights off, babe.
All compressions? Anything? No. Okay. Time of death 14:45. Thank you.
The family here?
No, I'm trying to find the family.
Yeah, you guys aren't taking
When Michelle came in, she was very sick. Before the aircraft could land, her heart stopped beating. We did CPR, and he gave her medications, but she died. very sorry. As I said, I'm very sorry. We can't take these tubes out until the medical examiner gets to do an autopsy.
If you want, you can touch her.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18? Okay, good.
Yeah, we're starting.
No pulse. Time of death, 15:12. Thank you, everyone.
Is there any family members here? Our parents are here.
Where's Mom?
The defendant is charged with 3 counts of manslaughter, 3 counts of vehicular homicide, driving under the influence of alcohol, driving under the influence of alcohol underage, and also reckless driving. As he pleads, he calls the matter.
Your Honor, my client pleads not guilty to all counts.
Are we ready to proceed today?
Yes, we are, Judge.
At this time, the state would like to call their first witness, and that would be Patrolman Caravellano.
First vehicle, I could see the driver sitting up and moving forward, back and forth.
And what about the occupant?
The passenger was actually thrown through the windshield.
At this time, I'd like to call up Mr. and Mrs. McNally.
My poor son Christopher, whose life has ended at 17. How can I explain the feelings behind this devastating loss? Chris was such an outgoing kid with an infectious smile and a heart as big as the muscles he was so proud of. He was the youngest child and looked up to his older brother. He was thrilled that he was going to be godfather to his niece this coming weekend. Now his twins will know him only through the stories we tell.
The impact of this reaches far and wide, and it's also senseless and could have been prevented. On behalf of the McNally family, I want to offer my condolences to the other victims, their families, and for any of you kids out there that were impacted by this, please don't drink and drive. Thank you.
My daughter is dead. But I know from the bottom of my heart, knowing this boy, that he is going to die a little bit every day for the rest of his life for what happened. And I know that his family is going to suffer as much as mine.
There are lots of ways to lose a child. And I think everyone in our community is suffering a huge loss as a result of this accident. It was a stupid choice that means I will never hear my daughter's voice again. And I think he needs to be made an example by his court.
On the 6th of June this year, I had the opportunity to stand next to my daughter at a choral concert at our church. She and I have shared the last 2 years together in this group, and she sang beautifully. She sang solo in a piece that I sang as well. And 2 days later, I stood by 2 wrecked cars and I heard her scream when they took her out of the car. So her singing is not the last thing that I heard.
Your Honor, I believe my client would wish to address the court at this point.
Nico?
The only thing I can really say is that I'm sorry. And I know sorry won't bring back the lives that I've taken. But this is all I can say. This is a mistake that I will regret for the rest of my life, and I will bear the burden of everyone's lives that I've taken on my shoulders. Just know that I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused, the lives that I've taken, and the lives that I've changed. These were not just 3 people, these were 3 people that I've grown up with, that I've known in my life, and that I've had great friendships with. I'm sorry to the families that I've affected, and I know that I'll never feel the pain that they feel. Looking into the eyes of my mom and her disappointment, I know she'll never look at me the same way. None of my family will, and that's something too I'll have to live with for the rest of my life. But really the only thing I can say is I'm sorry, and I hope that one day you can find in your heart somewhere that you can forgive me.
As a result, I am satisfied beyond a reasonable doubt that the state has proved the defendant guilty of manslaughter. I find that the act of operating a motor vehicle under the influence of having the accident is an act of recklessness, and as a result, the court is satisfied beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant is guilty of vehicular homicide, all 3 counts.
No time for goodbye, he said, as he faded away. Don't put your life in someone's hands, they're bound to steal it away. Don't hide your mistakes, 'cause they'll find you, burn you. Then he said,